welcome back to the channel. It's Chad and Doug here with Sinister RC, and today we have the K6 drone from AliExpress, and it is a flop, a 2 thumbs down. Big time. I'll give you honest reviews. This thing was advertised 5G 4K camera with GPS. It's obstacle avoidance. The only thing that works out all of those is the obstacle avoidance. It does not have GPS, it does not have 4K camera, and it does not have optical flow as advertised.
No.
And there's several different versions you can buy, 2, 3, and 4 batteries. It does come with prop guards, which don't work very well. Charger, 3 batteries in this package, controller, and a nice little carrying case, which is probably one of the better features of this is the carrying case. 1800 milliamp battery. This controller though is very confusing because it comes all in Chinese, as you can see here. Now all the videos and stuff that I watched through their sites, these were all had pictures. You know, you had your up down button or whatever. And I did memorize these buttons. And this one here is your speed buttons, 1, 2, and 3. Flip button does full 360s. Your trim right, trim left, trim up, trim down, automatic takeoff, automatic land, headless mode. And this is how you turn on your optical avoidance, or the obstacle avoidance, let's say.
Yeah, so if you're getting too close to the wall, it's kind of a nice feature. That way you say, well, if I'm too close, then it will pack in.
Yeah, and it does
Swing
work.
back
So
away from
you got to press and hold this button, and then your lights will flash like the battery's dying. But that's when your optical avoidance is on. Yeah.
You said it right.
Yeah, it's an avoidance thing. But yeah, other than that, it's a nice little controller. It's got a good little phone holder. But you know, it's got the little lights in here like other GPS drones, and it just is not. It's just, you know, straight up little controller. Let's get this thing up in the air and see how well it flies anyway.
Yep. We're back, and I'm going to take this K6 up in the air here, and of course, as always, turn your drone on first. Okay, you see the lights on.
You just kind of see that little blue light.
Yeah, it's a little tricky then, right? Here's the power button. And then you go up.
It auto binds.
Oh, nice. It
Yeah,
auto-binds.
it auto binds. So
Then to set the gyros, you go down out.
yeah, you can see the flash on that. There it is.
There we are.
And just
to
press up.
arm it, as you see. You can arm your motors this way. Then press it down again, and it'll disarm it.
Yeah, or press up on the that key.
Yep, there you go up and down here for your automatic.
When you do the automatic takeoff, they shoot up about 3 feet.
Yeah, just showing that. Here we go.
Yeah.
Automatic takeoff. Here we go, guys.
Oh, I got a lot of sun.
It actually
Go
turned
ahead.
out pretty nice.
Yeah, I was messing with it at home in my front room. Can you give us a flip?
Oh, that was not good.
Yeah, it went shot all the way to the ground, so we probably won't be doing flips. I don't like to do them myself personally because they will burn your motors out a lot faster than just flying. It stresses the motors. Getting her all trimmed out.
There we go. Now it's a lot better. It's not too terribly fast.
No, it's kind of flies real level. I like the colors. It's kind of peppy, I think. I'm going to get out and just really fly it here in a minute. We'll go over the app as well, the features that work and don't work. And as you can see right here in the front, the camera is fully adjustable, but you have to adjust it yourself. There we go. It's a good looking drone. It's just a carbon copy of others, you know. I have a Drone X Pro, it's basically the same as this. Yeah, it's just not one of those drones you want to buy. There are several others out there that are, you know, better. At least don't falsely advertise what they do. And I'm not a big fan of AliExpress. I really am not. I like Banggood, and I really do a lot through Amazon and other hobby sites. But yeah, AliExpress is just one I try to avoid. Can she do a flip right there? See what happens, see if she hits the ground.
Yeah. I know speed one, it doesn't like to roll over.
Oh yeah, she came almost all the way down on her own. So yeah, the flip feature is cool, but it will, you gotta have some distance.
Of course, that was in speed one. Let's try it in speed two.
Okay, we'll go.
Let me get it up in the air, guys.
I gotta get out of that.
So we don't crash. Okay, now we're going to speed two. Let's try it in speed two.
It flips to speed two. Still same thing, it hits the ground. So we're not gonna be flipping this drone much. That is really bad. So it cannot hold its own weight when it flips. It's like trying to get its top speed back to give it lift, and it just doesn't have enough lift after flipping. Yeah, I'm not impressed either. I will be making a Frankenstrange out of this drone. Get an FPV camera on it and get all the Wi-Fi features and everything stripped from this drone. We're gonna make a good drone out of it. Okay, I'll get you some footage of the app here and pictures and such. Okay, to get your drone connect to your app, I always go into airplane mode, of course, and then you're going to want to connect to the drone itself, and there it is. It's the DU Wi-Fi 107 BB80 app. And you're connected, and then you're going to want to go right here to the KY FPV app. And then you'll click Start. And there we have a good view of what's going on here on the desk. Some great drones. But yeah, this is far from 4K, and it's really pretty laggy. So there's no physical buttons on the controller to take pictures, so you'll just press your picture button, take a picture. And then we'll just take a little recording here. Get a few seconds of it. Take a look at my drones and such there. Or Force One drone. Okay, here we go. And you go over to files here, and then you can look at what we just recorded here. And this is what we just recorded here. Go back and then hit our, look at our pictures we just took. Oh wow, this is the picture we just took. We're playing with it a little bit. And then outdoor pictures, and you can see how laggy that was. And then on the video that we took the other day, and this is like the first few flights with it, and it was so laggy, it was really hard to see how bad that is, the delay, and it's really choppy and laggy and terrible. It's bad. And so I was never able to, test any adjuster mode. I cannot fly this drone with the controls like this. I just can't do it. This is not a very good drone. The app is terrible, and yeah, it's not worth the cash. Yeah, right to the ground every time. Almost hit that damn pole. So yeah, after going through everything, this is just complete garbage. It is a good backyard flyer as far as just taking off the obstacle avoidance, which is pretty easy. You just kind of pop up on it like that, and it plugs in right here. A three-way plug. And I'm thinking I'm just going to throw a sticker or something over top of it just to get that tucked in there. Might even get it invented and maybe a little chunk of plastic up over the top of it. Figure out some kind of plug. And I have noticed though, with the Drone X Pro, which I have placed an FPV camera system in, has the same camera type mount here. So these two will swap over. And I'll probably get out and, do some FPV with it and try it out. But it really isn't that good a flyer. It's not like this Drone X Pro or the Yashin E58. It's not a very good drone. Quality's pretty poor. I mean, even this button, look at that button, there's no, you have to really press hard on the plastic and then you get everything to work right. Like this one here actually has a cutout spot for the button, so everything kind of, pushes pretty easily. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely be doing some kind of strange build over this winter and see what I can make out of this thing. See what happens.